Hi guys, it has been such a while since I've gotten in front of a camera, but I wanted to tell you guys about my new course that I have, and it's finally launched. This course is for hair companies. If you've ever wanted to learn how to design a beautiful banner using Canva without code, then this is the course for you. I share all of my tips as far as sizing your banners to designing your banners, and you get to keep the files that I share with you in this course. So check it out down below if you are interested. But let's get into this video. This was my first time trying Wix, but I will tell you right now, I am in love with it. I really enjoy the overall platform. It was just really easy to use. So I might have to figure some things out because I did not expect Wix to be like this easy and just intuitive. So you guys are watching the actual first impressions of me trying to upload one of my banners that I designed on to Wix. If you want to know about the banner and how to create it, I'll leave the link in the description bar so you can check out how to make this banner. But now all I wanted to do was upload this exact banner to Wix. What made my life even more easier is the fact that they already had a template for hairstyles or hairstylist, I guess. So that was pretty amazing. Most times I look at functionality, but if I already found a website that's already kind of like pre-designed for hairstylists, then I'm just going to pick it. You definitely should look at the tutorials that they already have here, but because I'm hard-headed and I feel like I know it all, I just decided to try it. Obviously, I don't know it all and I messed some things up, but it was a part of the process. And I feel like after making this video and like trying it for the first time, I feel like I understand how everything works on this platform. But I will do more videos if you guys find this one useful. Just let me know in the comments below. I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, which I hope you did. Leave a comment below what you would like for me to do next, and until next time, bye.